What do the surnames of our presidential candidates mean? The surname of presidential aspirant Senator Emmanuel Manny Pacquiao is a derivation of the family name Pakyaw, a last name found in the Catalogo Alfabetico de Apellidos. As the Catalogo can show, the surnames here are from various sources. Some are Hispanic family names and everyday words, while others are indigenous words and last names. In the case of Manny Pacquiao, his last name is derived from the Cebuano word pakyaw, which means wholesale or to buy or pay in bulk. The Chamorro word pakyaw means full payment, but may also mean quick work or someone who is a fast worker. Filipinos and the Chamorros are classified ethnolinguistically Austronesians and are thus related. Watch out tomorrow for the meaning of another presidential candidate's surname. Thank you and stay safe always.